Hello students, welcome to e-sessions with SKS. Today I am going to solve question number 3.1 from Erodov. So this question reads, calculate the ratio of the electrostatic to gravitational interaction forces between two electrons and between two protons. At what value of a specific charge q by m of a particle would these forces become equal in their absolute values in the case of interaction of identical particles? So, this is the question. Actually, here the basic concept behind this problem is comparison between two fundamental forces. One is defined by what universal law of gravitation by Newton, and another one is defined by two force of interaction between two point charge, which is measured by Coulomb's law. So here see, from Coulomb's law, force electrostatic is equal to q square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r square, where q is the charge on what 2 point charge particle, r is the separation between them, and this field is what force is radial, so it is directed along the line joining the 2 point charges. Similarly, force gravitational is equal to gamma m square r square. Here gamma is universal gravitational constant and m is point mass. This is also separated by a distance r. Both the force holds what inverse square law, and both force are directed along the line joining the 2 point mass or 2 point charge. Hence, both these forces are what radial force. Now, the expected ratio F electrostatic by what F gravitational is equal to q square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r square into r square divided by gamma m square. This is coming equal to q square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into gamma into m square. Now, for electron, we are knowing charge on electron is, that is what, equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb, and here mass of electron is equal to 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, and gamma is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter cube and what kg second square. We can write this. Here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 unit. Now, if you will put these values here in this equation, then F electrostatic divided by F gravitational is coming equal to 4 into 10 to the power 42 after putting this value. So here, from here we can conclude that yes, electrostatic interaction for given particle, or particularly here electron, is stronger than the gravitational interaction. Now come to the what question? Sub question B, the same comparison or ratio between two forces for proton. Here charge on proton is what also same, that is what 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and mass of the proton is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg, and other constant remains same. So afterward putting this value here for proton, here we have written this is what for electron, and F electrostatic divided by F gravitation for proton can be calculated as 1 into 10 to the power 36. So here see, here electrostatic interaction is also stronger, but relatively it is what less ratio is what lesser than that with the what in case of electron. Now the third part of what this is asked कि for what value of what Q by M both the force will be what equal, means what कि here F electrostat is equal to F gravitational. If F gravitational, so here we can write what Q square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into R square equal to gamma M square divided by R square. So therefore here we can write Q by M is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught into gamma over square root. Here see, here this is what constant, here everything is what constant. So after putting this value Q by M is coming equal to, if we are putting this value of what 4 pi epsilon naught into what gamma, then this is coming equal to 0.86 into 10 to the power minus 10 coulomb per kg. Hence, in this particular problem, there was nothing specific. Here, simple, you should, when the author of the question asked you whether you can use the measurement of what force as defined by what coulombs and Newton's law, Newton, and then you are asked to compare these two forces, which is what available in the what nature. Thank you.